this happened many times. You're easy and happy working with your bits. Screw or unscrew the screws. What happens from time to time, you drop them in a messy place. If you drop your bit, then it's very hard to see where can you find your bit. So I'll show you the easy way to find them. One of the easy way is like this. Keep watching to secure your bit. Lucky because I was watching where I dropped it. What you do is like this. Let me show you how. I'll show you how in a second. This is your bit. You bring a tape like this, bit of tape, then around it here, then maybe another one somewhere around it, anywhere in the middle maybe, like that. And watch what will happen now. What will happen if you drop your bit anywhere? I'll just drop it on purpose and you'll see what will happen. You drop it somewhere, don't know where. The color helps you to find it. Can you see? I can see it's there. If you drop it somewhere else, let's say there, looking where can I find it in this mess? Easy to see it with the colors. There, here is my bit. Easy to find it. So simple tape. Secured, my bits are secured. Because without bit, can do nothing, almost can do nothing. So I secured it now. What I will do, put it back where it's supposed to be and tie it properly. Yes, it's working. So now I will never lose my bit again. Thank you for watching.